Today we are going to look at using inverse kinematics, referred to as IK, to make our character reach for, and press a button. Using IK instead of standard animation, allows us to make the character reach for the button, no matter where it is positioned. To enable IK on our character, add an IK Manager 2D component. Click Add. There are three options: CCD, Fabric, and Limb. For this case, as we are using an arm with two bones, we will select Limb. As we may use multiple IK solvers, name it appropriately. Now we need to create an end effector for our IK solver. This represents the end point of our IK chain. This will be the point that tries to reach a target position. Create an empty game object as a child of your end bone, in this case the forearm. Position this game object at the end of your bone and name it appropriately. Now set our game object as the effector of the solver. Next we need a target. This is the position our solver will attempt to get our effector to. This can be any transform. For ease, there is a Create Target button. Clicking this creates a game object as a child of our solver. You are free to position this however you like. On first look we can see that the limb solver bends our elbow the wrong way. We can press flip to correct this. Let's set our target on the button. Our solver has a variable called weight. Weight is on a scale of 0 to 1. Where 0 means IK has no effect and 1 means IK fully reaches the target as best it can. With the weight set to 1, you can see that our character reaches for the button, no matter where it is placed. There are now many ways to use this, such as scripting our target, or the weight. For a quick look, we will keyframe the weight to create a looping animation. Our IK-based animation is playing. No matter where we position the button, our character reaches for it. In practice, you would set this to function based on game logic, such as the player pressed an input button. Let's look at the basics of how this can be achieved. In a script, using Unity Engine, .u2d, .ik. Create a reference to our limb solver 2D. We will set this via the editor. Using this we now have access to the limb solver and its variables, such as weight and target. To demonstrate, we will set our weight to half in start. Not really practicable, but you can use your imagination on how you will use this, for example slowly increase the weight after a button press, or combine with an animation event. Now we can attach our script to our character, and provide it a reference to the limb solver. When we hit play we see our IK weight has been set to 0.5. Winning. You can use IK in many ways, for example to ensure a character holds an object or weapon correctly, or to keep their feet on the ground. You now have the tools to be able to create some great things with Inverse Kinematics. Don't forget to subscribe for more game making videos. Bye.